Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DaVinci Resolve Cloud, manage video projects step by step clearly. To log into DaVinci Resolve Cloud, begin by opening your internet browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DaVinci Resolve Cloud. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields to enter your email and password. Input your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the appropriate field. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid login issues. After verifying your information, click on the login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your device for the verification code. Enter the code in the field provided and proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to your project dashboard. This dashboard displays all your active and recent video projects. To manage your projects, click on the desired project title. From here, you can edit, share, or delete your project as needed. If you need to upload a new project, locate the Upload button. Follow the prompts to upload your video files to the cloud. Ensure you save any changes made to your projects. When you are done, make sure to log out for security purposes. To log out, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. You are now successfully logged out of DaVinci Resolve Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.